Mungojerrie and Rumpleteazer were a notorious couple of cats. As knockabout clowns, vintage comedians, tightrope walkers, and acrobats.
We have an extensive reputation. We made our home in Victoria Grove. That was merely our center of operation, for we are incurably given to rove.
If the area window was found ajar and the basement looked like a field of war,
or if a tile or two came loose on the roof, which presently ceased to be waterproof,
if the vendor's press were flown out of the chair and you couldn't find none of your winter best,
then after supper one of the girls suddenly missed her Woolworth pearls. Then the family would say, "It's that horrible cat." It was Mungojerrie
and Rumpleteazer.
and most of the time they left it at that. Mungojerrie
and Rumpleteazer
have an unusual gift of the gab.
They were highly effective as burglars as well, and remarkably smart at slash and grab.
We made our home in Victoria Grove. We have no regular occupation. We are plausible fellows who like to engage a friendly policeman in conversation.
When the family assembled for Sunday dinner and their minds made up that they wouldn't get dinner
On Argentine joint, potatoes and greens, then the cook would appear from behind the scenes.
in a voice that was full of sorrow, "I'm afraid you must wait and have dinner tomorrow."
The joint has gone from the oven like that. Then the family would say, "It's that horrible cat." It was Mungojerrie,
or Rumpleteazer.
and most of the time they left it at that. Mungojerrie and Rumpleteazer have a wonderful way of working together.
And some of the times he would say it was luck, or some of the times you would say it was weather.
We go through the house like a hurricane, and no sober person could take it. So was it Mungojerrie,
Or Rumpleteazer.
or could you have sworn that it might have been both? And when you heard a dining room smash, or up from the pantry there came a loud crash, or down from the library came a loud ping from a vase which was commonly said to be mean, then the family would say, "Now which was which cat?" It was Mungojerrie
And Rumpleteazer.
and there's no